As you know, viewers, you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm here again to present to you another components of such first strategy. That is the the use of phrase searching and also filters and limits. So those are the two components that I shall discuss with you as I present to you in this video. Since I've already discussed about the other in those other videos, yeah. So I just beg for your attention. Follow the video from the start till the end. I'm always grateful to you for liking my video, sharing, and above all, subscribing to my video. I still remain your guy, Francis Kaba. Let us just jump into what we are here for. Yeah. As I told you, shall be taking you through phrase searching. Let me just go straight. Phrase searching. Phrase searching, first of all, this one means just the use of the double quotation marks in searching for some question. Yeah, since you are since when you type or you work just blank like that without including the two double quotes, your work will be so broad and you will find it too hard to find the exact the, the exact content of what you're searching about. So guys, I urge you to use this phrase searching. Yeah, let me give you the description. Yeah, this is the description. As you're seeing from this slide, you have to enclose the terms in the double quotation mark to search for the exact phrases. These quotation marks give you the precise results, the exact results of your search question. So you will not waste much of your time looking for the appropriate results, since these quotation marks they will, they will let you have a an appropriate search results. So I urge you to use it. Yeah. So these are the explanation to it. This ensures that the words appear together in specified order, preventing irrelevant results. Yeah. So if you use these double quotation marks, your results, your words will appear together in a specified order. They'll be arranged in the order and leaving out the relevant results. Yeah. So that, I think, that is more convenient. Like for example, when you're searching for climate change impact and you put it in quote, your research results will only contain the words that occur together. They will follow the order of climatic change impact only, rather than giving you the scattered results throughout your document. So I urge you guys, just use this phrase searching to simplify your work, so that you should not waste much of your time navigating through your search results to get the most appropriate, to get the most reliable, and to get the most meaningful result for your search question. So guys, just simplify your life and use this phrase in your uh search in your search. When you're typing for the search question in the search bar, just use this quotation mark and you get a more precise results. Yeah. So let me just go straight. This some brief information about the phrase explanation. Let me just go straight to the filters and location and limits. So guys, in this same video, I shall be able to take you through the six components of such strategy. That is the filters and limits here. So I shall be able to describe it briefly to you and explain and give you some appropriate example so that you may know how to do it right away. So these filters and limits is just all about it's all about inserting or also including the the time of the publication and the location in your such such when you're typing a search question the search bar. Yeah, in order for you to get more reliable and the exact thing, you can include you can include the location and the date of publication in your question. Yeah, so this is the description. You have to narrow down your results such as publication date, language, the study type, or the geographic region. So all these results, all these things like the publication date, language, the study type, or the geographical region will make you get the precise search results that will will not take much of your time to navigate through various such results that may not be of your help. So just simplify your life and use these filters and limits like the publication date, language, study type, or geographic region. You can include them in your search question when you're searching for something you want to know. So guys, so these are the example like filters help you focus on the most relevant and specific information. Yeah, as I told you, they'll give you the most relevant and specific information other than giving broad contents that may not be of your help. Like for example, when researching recent trends, you limit your results to publication from the last 5 years. Yeah, you can limit your results for publication for the last 5 years in order for you to be more updated and get precise and fewer such results so that it doesn't take much of your time to navigate through the lots of such results that they might be related or the same. Yeah, for you can also include a specific region of studies. Yeah, you can filter by location, e.g. in Africa, like when you are studying something about the gender-based violence in a specific area, you can apply the filter by the publication from the 5 years. Like you can include in your site that gender-based gender-based violence in sub-Saharan Africa. Yeah, that one is somewhat more precise and will give you more precise results that are few, and you will easily navigate through and pick the points of help for you. So thank you guys. Just urge you use phrase searching to put your just cite questions in quote and also include the filters like location, publication date, the geographical what. Yeah, you have to include them for you to be more precise and to be faster in your work since there may be little time of the deadline or the deadline for your research. So just do it simply and include the location, time of publication, and date. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Yeah. ha- our next two components shall be discussed in the next video. I urge you to keep on following so that you get the whole thing about such strategy. I love you all. For any for any, for any question you want me to let you know, just go to my comment section, type any question of you need that you wanna get from me. Yeah. And also you can just pause the video and read from all the slides since I may be too faster or you might have not heard something well from me. Just just pause the video and read each slide for you to be more to a safer place. Thanks. I love you all.